Well, back on working on the shop. It's working on the soffit all the way down there. So this side's pretty much done. Get around to the corners, and they're called bird boxes, so I'm going to build those out. Finished off. Man, it's been slow going working on the shop. Rain, bad weather. I fell there during Thanksgiving, and I twisted my ankle. That ruined everything. So I had to take that whole week off, a weekend. But yeah, working at the shop, trying to get it done. And fruit trees, so we built a little greenhouse for them, a little warm. And so what do you do on a beautiful spring morning? Well, you gotta fix what the bear broke. Yep. Let's see here. I think we got it straight. Yeah, the bird bat's crooked. Can't tell. Pretty straight. Yeah, maybe leaning a little towards the house. There we go. All right. Let's see here. So I guess my spring doesn't work for bears. So let's see here. All right, so there you go. I got it. I guess we need to add some more bird seed. It all ended up on the ground. Right there. Thanks, Mr. Bear. And it's a little cold this morning, 27. So it's frozen. Alright, next project. I gotta get the wasps out of the bathroom vent. Alright, get that. But this is why the bear went after the bird feeder. And what is that? What is this?
Suet.
Oh, suet. That's what it is. It was full of suet, right?
Yeah.
He did have it, but he knocked it down. Broke this wire that held it up, and of course took the lid off. Of course, it was full, and there's nothing left in it. We had it hanging on the side of that bird feeder right there. So that's what happened. Life on a farm.
Another adventure.
All right, maybe we're able to wasp.
Yes, they're coming in the house.
Do the bad thing.
Yeah.
All right, let's get it. So this is what we're going to change from. So we're going to try to change that out. Up there. Hopefully no, I don't think I'm getting. So the wasps get in there and get like laid larvae or something, so we have like an infestant in the house. So here we go. Let's try it. All right, comes off. Oh my god!
What is that?
What is it? What is that?
I think it's a wasp nest. That was in our house.
Oh my gosh!
Oh, careful. Oh my god.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, there's still stuff in there.
See if I can pull it out. Hey! Can you go turn the fart fan on?
What you talking about?
The fart fan.
It doesn't happen at our house.
She says it doesn't happen at our house. Okay. Well, let's see. How do we do? All right, 4 screws. We're good. Clear silicone. Check. All right. Woo! Oh yeah.
And?
I smell farts.
No, not mine.
What are you doing in there? What is she doing in there? All right, so it worked. I know it's only bottom 2, but you know, you got to use what you can get. So we got it's like a 6-inch plate where a 5-inch should go. But hey, it works. A little harder for the little boogers to get in that. All right. Now what?
You should have let me film that.
What? Why?
Because then we could have smelled your fart.
It's all our farts, all right?
No.
Yeah.
No.
All right, what's next?
Ugh.
Meeting of the minds in the middle? Triple M?
The bottom of the...
Oh, skirting on the inside of this shop. Yeah, we can do that. All right, let's. So we think we found the evidence of the bear tracks. I know it doesn't show up real well, but they're there. You can see there he went right down our hill. It's hard to tell here, but we're probably 100 feet down to that dirt down there, and he just walked right down our little fill-in that we filled in, or up it.
Well, it looks like he went down.
Yeah, I think he went down. So, bring my suet back, right?
Yeah, no.
No?
I don't want it back.
All right.
Probably coming out the back end.
Let's go. And we saw footprint here too. That one and that one. So, I think that's the bear. All right. Well, we got some stuff done today, huh?
Are you telling me?
We got some stuff done today. Now we're just out riding around.
Before the sun goes down.
You look funny? She's funny. It's funny. Anyway. Robert's Crossing. That's for you, Lyle. All right, now we're going up the back side of the property. Alright, now we gotta put it in 4-wheel drive. Down here somewhere. There's 4-wheel. And then bear tracks. Right there. Yeah. About as big as my hand. Baby bear. That's what took out the bird house. And we're heading back home. Thanks for the ride. Yep. Alright. Last thing we did today was final work on the skirting. So this is the inside skirt. And we put the 2x6 on the inside, 2x8 on the outside. All the way around. So our insulation will go down in there. Insulation will go in here, all the way up the wall. All the way up inside. We'll put a wall on the outside. That's around the shot. Got to right here. And ran out of wood. So, inside the shop. Going over there. All the scrap wood. Man. People door. The other thing we did, Shell got these cans. And she drilled holes in a lot of them. So what she's going to try to do, burying them, got the holes in the bottom, and putting compost inside. And that way it's right in the middle of the garden. Anyway, we're gonna try it. These three. We'll see what happens. Alright, back in the house. What we got going on here?
Doing some stir fry. Got a bunch of veggies.
Look at that.
Some curry and cocominos. And rice over here.
Ooh,
Ready to go?
Nice. Stir fry time.
Yep.
Let's do it. Sounds good. Looks wonderful, dear. Oh yeah. Hope I get some more. Sweet. Yummy from my tummy.